Most people think that real estate only works when prices shoot up. And so because we keep hearing that prices are falling or sometimes flat, people think that it's no longer worth it to invest in Toronto. But this really has to deal with the old mindset. Buy anything, wait, and the market makes you money. And that might have worked for the past 20 years. It might have been luck, and it's not actually how real estate investing should work. Let's talk about Toronto real estate prices first. The big drop already happened in 2022, and since then, the market actually hasn't been crashing. It's just been moving up and down within a narrower range. And right now, you can buy properties at around 20% below the peak on average. And because we are in a buyer's market, our team can negotiate well for you, and you might even be able to secure more discounts, sometimes 30% off or more from the peak. You can put in conditions before you firm up a deal. You can check your finances, you can inspect the property, and you're no longer forced to overpay because of bidding wars or competing offers. Now, let's talk about what people worry the most. What if prices keep falling after you buy? Well, that definitely is a real risk. Not gonna lie, especially if you only read headlines and you might be interpreting things with the wrong lens. Long-term, real estate rises in line with inflation when supply and demand are balanced. Toronto might have too many condos, which will hold back on price growth there. But on the house front in Toronto, it's definitely different. There is a real need for houses in Toronto, and we have no more new land to build on. And so every new house means tearing down an old one to build a new one. And this is what's going to keep property values stable and rising over time. The market now rewards homeowners who build for value and hold for the long haul. And that's really the shift back to real estate investing, not speculating. You make money from rental income and adding value, not guessing where prices will go. Toronto is expensive, yes, but density does change a lot of the equation. Strong rental income will keep vacancies low here in Toronto, and updated zoning rules does allow more units on the same lot in the same house. So a turnkey multiplex rental that used to break even or run slightly negative after deducting operating expenses in your mortgage payment now can make around $500 of positive cash flow per month on day one. Then comes the most powerful part, creating value through renovations. In entry-level neighborhoods, there is quite a big gap between rundown houses and renovated ones. Construction costs are similar across Canada, but because house prices in Toronto are much higher, you can get much bigger lift here. Here's an example. You buy a dated semi for around $900,000, invest $200,000 to convert it into 3 legal units. And based on current market comps, it could be worth $1.3 million when it's complete. And that's about a $200,000 value add lift. Plus, you still make around $2,000 a month in positive cash flow. Then this gives you flexibility to refinance if you want to, get most of your cash back, repeat, and this is how investors scale in a flat market. But let's be clear, this strategy is not for everyone. You usually need around $200,000 of household income to qualify for financing and roughly $300,000 of capital, cash, to buy a turnkey multiplex in Toronto with 20% down plus closing costs. If you are open to tackling a renovation for value add lift, then your long-term returns can be stronger and scaling is faster. But in this case, you would need even more upfront cash because most of the renovation costs, typically on the residential side, is paid out of pocket before you refinance. The bottom line is that Toronto real estate doesn't work the old way anymore. It's not about betting on prices to climb. It only works by buying smart, creating value, and generating strong rents and cash flow to help you make more and ride out the bumps along the way. Here at Elevate, we're not just a real estate sales brokerage, we're active Toronto multiplex investors too. We use the exact strategies on our own properties and help clients do the same. We help you figure out what's best for your situation and then help you find high potential deals, run the numbers, negotiate strong offers to buy in the best one, and then plan renovations if you need it. And also if you need it, lease and manage your property too so that it can perform to its best potential. So if you want to see how this could work for your situation, just book a free strategy call with us using this link here and let's go through your options together.